Thoughts arise and drift away, waves upon a moving sea. Judgment speaks, then fades again. None of this is truly me. The mind reflects but does not shine. It gathers shapes in passing sound, yet something deeper stands behind, unmoved while motion spins around. Restless flow, I am not the voice that claims I stand beyond the turning mind, where stillness holds no name. The mind is only meant to serve, a lens, a path, a gate. I rest as witness, calm and clear, while thoughts arrive and dissipate. The mind can gather scattered forms, but cannot know its own design. It reaches outward endlessly, yet never sees the source of sight. When quiet listening takes the lead, the instrument is finely tuned. A higher knowing moves within, and truth begins to bloom. Restless flow, I am not the voice that claims I stand beyond the turning mind, where stillness holds no name. The mind becomes a faithful guide when placed in rightful hands, a channel open, clear and still, aligned with inner command. Not the thinker, not the thought, not the question or reply. I remain as silent ground while moments pass me by. When the mind is gently set in place, it mirrors light it cannot make, and through this calm and steady space, the deeper self awakes.
Ooh.